Welcome to the YouTube channel of Sheet Vidya Mandir, Vasai East. Myself, Lavina teacher, Standard 4th, SST. Topic, Chapter 5, The Southern Plateau. Part 1. An elevated or high area, fairly leveled or flat at the top, is called a plateau. It is also called a tableland. A plateau is always higher than the ground surface, but lower than the mountains. It is the oldest landmass of India. The Southern Plateau region of India. Location. The Southern Plateau is made up of igneous rocks and is an irregular triangle in shape. The Aravalli Hills lie in the northwest and the Rajmahal Hills in the northeast. This plateau extends from the south of the northern plains down to the last tip of India, which is Kanyakumari. Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. It is also called the roof of the world. The plateau consists of two parts, the Central Highlands, the Deccan Plateau. Let us know something about the Central Highlands. The Central Highlands lie to the north of the Narmada River, covering a large portion of Malwa Plateau. The Vindhyachal range is bounded by the Central Highlands on the south and the Aravallis on the northwest. It is subdivided into two parts, the Malwa Plateau, that is the northwestern part, the Chota Nagpur Plateau, that is the northeastern part. The Malwa Plateau lies in the north of the Vindhyas. It is covered with black soil, which favors the cultivation of cotton, oilseed, and sugarcane. Some rivers like the Chambal, Betwa, Son flow through this region to later join the river Ganga. The Chota Nagpur Plateau, drained by Damodar River, is extremely rich in minerals and has large deposits of coal mines in Gired, Raniganj, and Jharia. Besides coal, iron, manganese, bauxite, and mica are also mined here. This plateau is marked by Rajmahal Hills on the northeastern side. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is covered with dense forest as well. The next is the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau lies to the south of the Narmada River. The Vindhyachal mountain and the Satpura range lies in the northwest part of Deccan Plateau region. The Satpura range is located between the river Narmada and river Tapti, which flow westward into the Arabian Sea. It is the largest plateau of India. The plateau is bounded by the Western Ghats in the west and the Eastern Ghats in the east. The Western Ghat in the west of the Deccan Plateau are the long range of hills. They include the Nilgiris, Anaimalai, and Cardamom Hills. Nilgiri Hills lie in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala. Ooty is the hill station in the Nilgiri Hills in the Deccan Plateau region. The Eastern Ghats have comparatively low hills as they have been cut off by a number of southeast flowing rivers.